The prosecution may now put on evidence of its next charge.
They want to be elevated from a behavior-based lifestyle to a true minority status that would give them special rights.
To include homosexuals within the 1964 Civil Rights Act as a specially protected class, I think it would have a very disastrous effect on our society.
No one should have special rights or privileges or minority status because of their sexual behavior. We don't have it for people who are polygamous. We don't have it for people who have affairs on their wives or husbands.
In 1996, Sheriff Margot Frazier was elected the first female sheriff for Travis County, which includes Austin, the state capital, and surrounding communities.
Sheriff Frazier, have you just heard the prosecution's witnesses allege that homosexuals are demanding special rights?
Yes, Your Honor, I've heard their testimony.
Would you care to respond?
Yes, Your Honor, I would.
Thank you.
There are those who say that gays and lesbians want special rights. And I've yet to understand what is so special about the fact that people will stand at churches and even funerals and hold up signs that say that God hates you. Or what is special about being barred from adopting the child that you have raised from infancy with HIV. Or what is special about being banished from the bedside of your long lifetime partner because their estranged parents have shown up and decided that they don't want you there to say goodbye and don't even want you there at the funeral and want to deny you the 1,047 rights that you will be denied because of the fact that you cannot legally marry. And I have yet to understand what is so special about being able to be fired from your job, no matter how good a job you're doing, simply because of who you live with, or being asked to die for your country, but being thrown out of the military without any benefits because they figure out the gender of the person you've been riding back home. Or what's special about having to keep your personal life in the closet in order to get a mortgage or insurance, a job, or worship at the church of your choice. And I certainly don't understand what is special about being one of those thousands of people that law enforcement deals with each year. As you will see as an example, Your Honor, of the pictures that the audience will show you of the men and women who have either died at the hands of violence or who have tragically taken their own lives, especially young men and women who cannot imagine living their lives as the focus of such hatred. Your Honor, my testimony is that gays and lesbians are not asking for special rights. They are just asking not to have unequal rights.
Sheriff Frazier, thank you very much for your testimony. You may step down. We'll now turn to the prosecution's next charge and the witnesses offered in support of that charge.